Okay, we are actually not ready yet, because guess what? We need the icons for, to our app, and also the launch image. So let's open our Photoshop and create a little icon. I could have this done before, but I'm gonna give you guys a few advice. Okay, size 114 by 114. Okay, we're gonna need two sizes. This is the Retina 114, 57 is the normal one, so we create both. Let's create on this size, then we make half size for the other one. Let's call it Neto's icon. Great. Alright, so we have a space in here, little square. So now, normally when I create an icon, let's grab now our logo, okay, and let's see, let's take this white background off. Great. First, let's release this. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are familiar with Photoshop, but I open this logo, then select the white background, double click to unlock the layer first, then let's delete the background. Now let's drag this to the second window where we have actually our icon. Okay, let's make this a nice size. An icon is very small, so the logo as bigger as possible is okay. Normally what I do is see, something like that, and then we can select a color. Let's this red, let's put a little darker, then make a little gonna make a little square in here. Okay, let's put a curve on this. Just select the border curve. Let's put this down a little bit, because all the icons will have a little effect on the top. So this is gonna minimize. Let's put this layer on top of our red, whatever we create here, this curve. Let's see a shadow, nice shadow like that. Okay, yeah, looks nice. This is just the icon where you're gonna press to open your app. So let's file, save for web. See, it looks okay. So save. Let's go to our desktop project. Dreamweaver image. Let's save in here because we are putting all the images in here. Neto's icon PNG. Okay, save. Now let's resize this to 57. Okay, so resize 57, file, save for web. Same thing. Now let's put a name here. Let's see. You don't need to worry about the name because Xcode's gonna take care of this. Okay, let's minimize. Now we're gonna open our desktop project. Okay, it's right here. Let me rename this. Let me make something better. This is the let's say small. Okay, and this is the large image. Oh, nice. So let's select both, drag and drop in here in the top folder. Let's take this out of the way. Select create groups for any added folder, finish. Nice. Now let's go down a little bit. This is these are the locations for the icons. This is the small 57 by 57. This is the large 114 by 114, the Retina one. So let's drag the small and drop into here. If this message shows, just click. You can click yes, no problem. And let's drag the large and drop the Retina. Yes. Okay. Xcode sometimes does that, just double the image here. You can just select two, right click, delete, remove references. Otherwise we're gonna have a error when we compile. Okay, so our icons are here. We can make a test, okay, simulator. But before, you can open your iOS simulator. I already did that. So if you have your app in there, just click, hold, and delete. So then there is no old versions. Okay. So let's go ahead and build. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, our app just opened, but let's close. Let's go the hardware and home. Nice. Now we have our icon in here. Very nice. Looks fantastic. So when you click, your app's gonna open. Great. But still there is something that's not so good. The name Netos app. Let's make this better. So we can delete this again. Click, delete. Hold and delete. So there is no old versions. This problem happens when we delete the icon. The app, and we are running from Xcode, but it's not a problem. Just click stop. Click on this folder and everything is back to normal. Okay. So now let's that name is exactly this name that shows up here, Netos app. So we need to rename this just by clicking once, and then we're gonna rename it. But make a backup before you do that. I already did mine, so make sure you have this the whole folder duplicated. Okay. What I do is let me open mine for you guys here. If my mouse works, gonna be great. Hold on a second. All right. So click on your project, duplicate, and then create a number for that. I keep creating, sequential numbers. 8. Now it's 9. So 9 backups is fine. Okay, let's continue. Click on this folder. Click here. So let's click once again. Now let's give a name for that. A decent name. Netos Cafe. Great. Enter. Then you're gonna click rename. Enable. And Xcode's gonna do the rest for us. You don't need to click OK, but I put the mouse over. Looks like I did click, but I did not. Okay, so our app now has a nice name, Netos Cafe. Okay, so let's run a test again. Nice. Let's go hardware, home. Beautiful. Now we have a nice icon saying Netos Cafe. Very nice. So when I click in here, you're gonna see our app. Location, back, very nice. This app looks great, fantastic. Okay, so let's close this program again. So click on Xcode and click stop. If you want to run it without opening Xcode, just open your simulator. Your app's going to be in here. See? So just click and run. Very easy and nice. Okay.